Seriously, can someone please sort this out? Because I am going insane. It is unfair to have to live here and put up with that. Look at the dust, the noise. I am working, I am trying to do work. It's still work hours, not that that absolutely matters at all. It's been going on for more than an hour today. It goes on every day. I shouldn't have to put up with it. It's unfair. What more do you want me to say? What more do you really want me to say? I should not have to put up with this. And I have done. I've tried to tolerate it, but it's unfair. It should be banned and it should be enforced. It's been banned before, but yet they start up again and it's not being carried out.